In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Zoho calendar effortlessly. Zoho Calendar is a powerful tool for managing your schedule, and sharing it with others can make collaboration much easier and more efficient. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues or simply ensuring friends and family know when you're free, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Calendar homepage. You can do this by visiting calendar.zoho.com and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as knowing your way around will make this process smoother. Next, look for the three dots icon, usually situated in the top right corner of your calendar interface. This icon represents the settings menu, which contains various options to tailor your calendar to your needs. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to customizing your calendar settings, including sharing capabilities. Now, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Share. Clicking on this will bring up the Sharing Settings window, where you can specify exactly who you'd like to share your calendar with and how much access they should have. Think about who needs access to your schedule and in what capacity. Perhaps a colleague needs to see all your meeting details, while a friend only needs to know when you're free for coffee. The next step is to type in the email addresses of those you want to share your calendar with. Be precise here. A small typo means someone won't receive access. Once you've entered an email address, you can decide on the level of detail they'll be able to view. Next to each email, there's usually a drop-down menu where you can choose options like View Event Details. Consider what information is appropriate to share. Giving someone permission to view event details lets them see the exact nature of your appointments, which can be handy for work collaborations. After deciding on the permission level, take a moment to double-check everything. Accuracy is key, as you want to ensure each person receives the appropriate level of access. Once you're confident everything is set correctly, simply click the Share button at the bottom. This action finalizes the sharing process, and the individuals you've selected will receive an invitation or notification with access to your calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Zoho calendar. Now, all your chosen participants can stay updated with your schedule, making coordination much smoother. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if you need to adjust permissions or add more people in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps streamline your scheduling.